Hey. Everybody. Hey. Sing along. Hey. Máximo, para mi vida, máximo, para mi vida, ay, máximo, para mi vida, para mi vida, para mí, ella se está muy Hamisa good, Alagali Gira, Hamisa good, Alagali Gira, Aye, Hamisa good, Alagali Gira, Hamisa Alagali Gira, Hamisa good, Alagali Gira, Hamisa good, Alagali Gira, Aye, Hamisa good. Hamisa wala katili mirane, na malaguti na kumoto. Hamisa wala katili mirane, aga malaguti na kumoto. Hamisa wala katili mirane, aga malaguti na kumoto. All right, let's change the pace a little bit. I wanted to do more, but I won't complain. Ready? Yeah, I'm 15 now, yeah, he done the room you did. Mungi uselo, hari yamate rwango. Tunigi mana, ina sona diyo. Yeah, I'm 15 now, yeah, he done the room you did. Oh, mungi uselo, hari yamate rwango. Tunigi mana, ina sona diyo. Mix it up now. We're gonna do it a little bit intimate, right? Oh, let me say you man. Oh, let me say you mama. My young woman. Oh, 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 my dear woman. Oh, 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 my dear. still. Hey. Oh, la biseluma. Oh, la biseluma. Aya no manu. Oh, oh, oh. Bati prenu. Oh, oh, oh. Bagura sulu. Ele bota muga. Bagura sulu. Liga bonito, liga bonade, liga bomama, liga botada. Olha kuno, edu hey kuno, na rua na yo, o alto da menina. Oh, la biseluma, oh, la biseluma, vai a tomar uma. Oh, 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 vai me ver. Oh, oh, oh. Bagulaço, o bagulaço, recebe da muda, ali quem recebe o aquele da muda, o bagulaço, recebe da muda. Ali se liga dormido, liga botado, liga bomba, liga botada. Olha o gol, do rei do gol, a rua ganhou. Give me some. Percussão. Yanu wanda uga hamana muleno Yela ile yanu wadina meti umba La faya ha ayaha wina mun Musa utempo Higo kuna muleno Uga hamana Yanu wanda uga hamana muleno Yela ile mayanu wadina meti umba La faya ha ayaha wina mun Everybody, how you about Bekuba hamuyo 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 Imabulita Muhammad, ayena mulino, wana kuniyebe. Imabulita Muhammad, ayena mulino, wana kuniyebe. Igira humo kiya hamu chukamu kuroa, eya kafamu kumame kuwa hamadu wewe. Imabula humiki, ayena rasa kabibuna, irasa na mulino, wana kuniyebe. Bekuba hamuyo, Bekuba hamuyo, Bekuba hamuyo, Bekuba hawena muleno, Bekuba hawena muleno, Bekuba hawena muleno, Bekuba hawena muleno. All right, we just sort of feeling it out, you know, because we have to do it. Hi, Mama. How are you? I like to say good night to everybody. It doesn't matter where you come from. If you're from Guatemala, Honduras, La Buga, Belize, it don't matter. Nicaragua, St. Vincent, at one point, California, of course. At the end of the day, we are one people. It doesn't matter where you come from, we're one people. We all have a heart that beats together. All right? I have my group in Belize that is called Garifuna heartbeat.
And I rock with you.
Heartbeat. Heartbeat means we beat together. Because the heart cannot beat out of rhythm, because definitely we're going to be dead. Alright? Alright. Give me some percussion. Your mama, are you ready now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, sola. One drop now, one drop. One more time. Game on up. Game on up. Lock it, boom. Sule, boom. Game on now. Ay, that's okay, baby. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Aye. Easy. One drop. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Game on loud. Lock it, boom. Sule, boom. Ready? Here we go. When I'm on I want you to sing along with me. 1, 2, 3. How many are
Ready to go? On to that now. Yeah. Body see them. Body roll up. We are well, mama, we are well. We are well. Sana, sana. We are well, mama, we are well. We are well. Sana, sana. Hey, mola, sana, sana. Wala matamu, sana, sana. Tene tumuda, sana, sana. Ni wala wala, sana, sana. Ni kamola, sana, sana. Ni tene tumuda, sana, sana. Ni kala wala, sana, sana. Ni wala wala, sana, sana. All right. ¿Dónde está mi gente de Honduras? ¿Y dónde está mi gente de Guatemala? ¿Y dónde está mi gente de Belice? Everybody, 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 hey, all right, hey. All right, this is how we do it right now. You know what? Put it in the front. Come on, Mateo. Come to the front. Because this is how we do it in Brooklyn. And this is how we going to do it in LA. We want to take them to style. Because this is how we do it right now. All right. I don't care about those speakers. Right here. 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 Hey! How did you do? How did you do? I'm going to have that. We're 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 going to have that. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. We are well, mama, we are well. We are well. We are well, mama, we are well. We are well. All right, I want to know, we want to do this for the year 2019. I want to know, everybody from Belize, I want to hear you scream! And everybody from Honduras, I want to hear you scream! And everybody from Guatemala, I want to hear you scream! Don't hit the Central America! All right, I want you to know, listen, my mother just passed away, and you know what she told me before she died? She said, have fun, and do what you do. Either like Buddha, Tia, my brother, Mateo the greatest, 5-star, all stars. We want to party right now. I'm not getting one that we're going to get one of them, but we got little kids in the house tonight. So we're going to do it like this. Hey, hey. Wait a minute. Hey, hey. How did you do? How did you do? What time that? What? What time that? What? What time that? What? What time that? All right. That's my brother right here. I love him to death, bro.
All right. All right, ready?
I'm ready when you're ready.
Hey. Here we go. Take it down, take it down, take it down, take it down.
Okay. Yo. Lulu, if that was a little piece of the craziness.
We got a lot of time.
All right. All right.
We have a lot of time.
We got a lot of time?
A lot of time.
All right, cool.
We're going to the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
We got 8? It don't matter the time.
Ready?
I'm not going home. My hotel is paid for.
Watina to the best na haya. Do what you do. Rock on. 1, 2, 3, hey! Give it to him. Tempo. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Here, one of the I want to give you a little bit of history because we want to continue and make sure everybody understands what's going on, right? This song is a song from a lady from yesteryears. This is not my original song, but I was given the song because of the kind of vibe I brought to the song. All right? Unfortunately, somebody decided that they were going to exploit us. And I'm the musical ambassador. And if I am, I don't play that crap. All right? So you all have to understand. Please, now you can go back on YouTube and check it out. All right? You can go back on Amazon and check it out. You can go on Spotify and play it. Oh, everybody got that? Because it's now what? Ours. We have it back. Everybody understand that? We're not going to tolerate no exploitation no more. That's it. Now, are we ready? Sure? Give me some music. 2, 3, go! We're not done yet.
Oh, brother.
How much people have fallen in love out here? How much lovers? Do we have people who have a clean heart still? Do we have people who still love each other? We do? I have a new album coming out it's called The Journey. This is a song from The Journey. Listen, I'm gonna sing it in English because reality-wise, they have more English-speaking people than Ghanaian people. And we're doing it business now, straight up. Alright? But we gotta do it for everybody. Alright? I'm gonna do it a cappella. And then we're gonna come in. Is that good? Listen. I never thought it would come to this. When I hide goodbye on the morning kiss. The scars and the memories have faded away. Now your name is just in a storybook I lost somewhere. It's hard to believe true love could disappear. Turning to mystery, I don't care. Listen. Erotic nights turn to fights. Feeling love isn't here no more. Warm hugs have gotten so cold. Yeah, that's just how the story unfolds. I can imagine it would come to this. Lying and deceiving with family, friends, and kids. Ooh, this is worse. You keep on saying that you love me, but all I hear is just a bunch of empty words. I feel like I'm sleeping with my enemy. I don't want to live like that no more. So talk to me. Please let me know exactly how you feel. Listen, cause I tired of live like that. Why you always treat me like if your heart's not committed with me, I don't want you back. I tired of live like that. Why you always treat me like crap if your heart's not committed with me? Oh, now tell me if it's real or not. Is it real? You be sleeping with somebody you don't even know if they love you, right or wrong. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey! Alright, everybody, give me some tempo. I want to feel it. Yes, 1, 2, yeah. Bring it up. Alright, here we go. 2, 3. This is real, everybody. Ain't no game. Can you put the keyboard in the monitor, please? Keyboard in the monitor. I never thought it would come to this, that I could find all the morning kiss. It's not that the memories have faded away. Now your name is just in a story I lost somewhere. It's hard to believe true love can disappear. Turning to mystery, I don't care. Erotic nights turn to bodies. Feeling love isn't here no more. The warm hugs have gotten so cold. Yeah, that's how the story unfolds. I couldn't imagine it would come to this. Lying and deceiving family, friends, and kids. Ooh, erotic nights turning to life. Feeling love isn't here no more. The warm hugs have gotten so cold. Yeah, that's just how the story unfolds. All the true people, all the people who got love in your heart. If you have love in your heart, say yeah, yeah. If you got love in your heart, everybody say yeah, yeah. Listen up. There's nothing in this world we never been together. Climb the highest mountain, there's no disease and weather. Never think down to me, we will never stay forever. I'm running deep inside with feelings like it and high. It's hard to believe true love can disappear. Turning to mystery, I don't care. Erotic nights, turning to fight. no more, so talk to me. Please let me know exactly how you feel. Cause I tired of live like that. Why you always treat me like crap? If your heart's not connected with me, I don't want you back. I tired of live like that. Why you always treat me like crap? If your heart's not connected with me. Oh. Alright. We got a lot of time, don't worry. This is a semi-concert tonight. Ready? How do you know what you do? How I know what you are, what you tell me what you
Você vai voar,
Thank you. I hope you have one.
Everybody make some noise! Now I'm feeling the energy. That's what it's all about. No. You want to come back to me? Paranda. No problem. We're going to mix it up, man. We're going to... Ready? Mama, you're going. We're gonna mix it, this new thing, right? Everybody give it up for the all-star, everybody. 1, 2, 3, hey! Give me the keyboard. You know, we'd like to apologize for the sound tonight. I'm gonna be real. I'd like to have a good show, but sometimes it just don't work out the way you want. Alright? So we're gonna apologize right now and hope that next time we have a next show it's gonna be better. Alright? But I appreciate everybody coming out. Alright? Make sure we support each other. Make sure we do what we have to do for each other so we can get stronger, okay? Ready? Mix it up. Yeah, top of the